everybody, welcome to another episode from Tech and Davey. Today we've got a little something special for y'all guys. I know it's been a while since I've done an unboxing here, but our friends at FiiO have been kind enough to send me one of their new sample units of their highly anticipated desktop headphone amplifier called the E9. This is a step up from their E7 unit, which is a digital to audio converter and a headphone amplifier combo, and this is just a desktop amplifier only. This unit has been made and designed to work with the E7 it has like a dock unit on top. I haven't really seen the unit up front yet, so we'll go over the unit after I unbox it, but it sounds like a really cool device. Again, FiiO, thanks a lot guys for sending the sample unit out to me and allowing me to review it for you. So this is a unboxing of the FiiO E9. So let me go and bust out my handy little shipping knife here and start the unboxing. Now it feels like they used, and I think I may have accidentally scratched up the packaging here, I think they may have actually used their commercial packaging that you'll be seeing once this ships out in October. Not sure exactly on what date they're going to be shipping this out on, but hopefully it'll be before the end of October. I'm thinking perhaps they'll be shipping these units out the last week of October. This is my guess, since we're already halfway into the month. So get this out of the way here. And there you have it. Very nice designed box. It's very sleek and all black, simple. Got a little package damage here, but you know that's expected since they did ship this straight from China or Hong Kong, so not that bad at all. Got the E9 Desktop Headphone Amplifier. Nice little simple vector graphic on the front. As you can see, it doesn't have any barcode or any serial information like that on the box itself, which is obvious since this is a sample unit. When I say sample, this is pre-production. This was actually assembled by hand. This is not going to be 100% representative of what the unit you'll be receiving once these ship out. Those will be done on an assembly line. They'll have a pretty much a complete way of manufacturing these units. So again, this is not going to be 100% accurate to what you'll be receiving in the future. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing here. Alright. Got some little Hong Kong souvenir here. Can't read this, but whatever. Pretty cool that at least they put it in there to help it with packaging a little bit more. And it looks like they already have the English menu available, so that's nice. This looks like it may be the only thing in here in regards to how to set up this unit, which looks like it should be sufficient. A headphone amplifier, just acting as a headphone amplifier, shouldn't be that difficult to use. It's just a headphone amp, but we'll go over the specs while I'm unboxing here. Actually, we can go over it right here. Let's see here. So specs say output power 1 watt or 16 ohms, up to 80 milliwatts, 16 ohms. Impedance is 16 ohms to 600 ohms, which is nice because that pretty much covers almost every headphone or high-end headphone set of can in the industry. So that's really nice. I actually have a pair of Beyerdynamic DT990s that are rated at 600 ohms. They're a pain to drive properly if you don't have proper amplification. So looks like hopefully on paper this will do it. Let's see here. It's got a line out. It's got two sized headphone jacks, one 3.5 and the other 6.5 millimeter jack. So that's always nice, and it looks like they're both powered at the same time. If I'm reading this correctly. So anyways, I'm going to put that aside here. I'm going to cover all those specs later in a more detailed review. Again, this is just an unboxing. So let's go ahead and bust out these other items. And again, This may be a little rough. It looks like something should have been here, but there's not. Don't think this is going to be representative of what you'll actually get in the production box. So I've got a USB cable for, well, it's not a DAC, so I'm wondering what this will be for. Maybe it's to, well, we'll figure that out later. And here looks like the power cord of the wall jack AC adapter. So standard stuff. And we'll take this out. Weighs a little less than I thought. It'd be a little bit more chunkier as far as weight, but it's got a decent weight to it. It's not terribly light, but it's not terribly heavy. I guess right in between. But here you go. Let me move this out of the way. This is a unit. I hope I have proper lighting that y'all can see. Alright, so we have the unit unboxed. I got a little closer up view for y'all guys out there, so you can see a little bit more detail on the unit. It is a pretty black unit. It's pretty dark. It's all aluminum casing. I can tell from the back and the front. It's all aluminum, 100%. Entire housing, very nice and sleek. They put this together really well, especially considering this is a sample model. When I say sample model, it's not a production unit. It's something that won't be done on an assembly line. Instead, it's done by one of their in-house engineers when they put it together. But let's go ahead and go over the front and back of the unit, and from there I'll dock the E7 so you can see what it looks like docked on this amp. The front here, nice all black face. Again, I don't know if this is going to be exactly the same as production line unit, but so far I'm pretty impressed. Nice all black face here. Got your 3.5mm jack and your 6.5mm jack. Nice volume pot in the front here. Volume wheel is nice and big. Nice snick and click when I turn the wheel here. It's very smooth, and it's very nice, easy to turn. I know it's not going to go anywhere once it's sitting down. This is a little bit lighter than I was expecting it to be. So, but knowing that the wheel's nice and light to turn, I know it's not going to be moving anywhere. Looks like gold-plated jack here, non-gold-plated jack. Let's turn to the side. All clean sides here. Bottom nice and clean. Rubber feet. Up here you have the dock. And you have a little rubberized backing to hold the E7 in place so it doesn't move around too much, which is pretty cool. And if we move to the back, we have the FiiO branding, desktop amplifier E9. You got your AC adapter jack. You have your USB line in, your gain switch. I'm sure it's just a high-low gain switch. Don't know the specs on it, but I'll go over that and then the full review. This is just the unboxing review. And you have a line out here, and pre-out for an amp. And that's pretty cool. So it did come with all the cabling that you need to get started, which is, again, I think I showed you this, the wall charger and USB cable. I don't know what I did with it. It's somewhere around here. And the USB cable. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sit this down and go ahead and dock it for y'all guys so you can see what it looks like docked. Alright. And it docked pretty nicely. As you can see, I didn't have too much trouble docking it. Considering this is a pre-production unit, I'm sure it'll go in a little bit better than this, but not bad at all. Nice snick when it clicks in. A little wobbly, as you can see, but I am assuming this will be better on the production unit. But all in all, not bad. I'm going to power this on so you can see what it looks like. If it's aesthetically pleasing for you when you buy it. That was my radio voice, by the way. So really cool. I can imagine myself using this when I'm at the kitchen table, when I'm out watching TV. I can set this up when I'm out at my desk working at the computer. I can set this up pretty easily, which is nice. I do have a pair of Beyerdynamic headphones, which are rated at 600 ohms, and I just can't wait to hear what that sounds like on here. Another really cool thing I like about this, and what this is kind of a buying point for me, I'm going to undock this, is the 2 jacks. Because I have quite a few headphone amplifiers, and this is the only one that I have that has a 3.5 and a 6.5 millimeter jack, and I can't stand using those converters. This is going to be a lifesaver for me because I don't have to go digging for converters. I lose them often, adapters, excuse me, and it's just I hate having to deal with it. But this is really nice feature that these guys added. Love that. Man, that feels really smooth. So guys, this is the unboxing. As you can see, it's a really nice unit. It's very flush. Everything is very well designed. They put a lot of quality into this product, as you can see on camera. I wanted to film this in HD so you can get a better look at what you can expect to see. Again, I don't know if it's going to be 100% true to what you'll be receiving from the production line unit, but I'm sure it's going to be pretty darn close or pretty much exactly the same. So FiiO again makes outstanding units. They make outstanding hi-fi value-based equipment, and I've been happy with their stuff. So go ahead and look forward to my next full review of this unit. I'm really excited to try it out with my various headphones and share my thoughts with y'all and show you the great things about it, anything I dislike about it. But again, I am not expecting anything less than great from FiiO, as I've been really happy with their products. As a matter of fact, this E7 I use more often than not than any of my pieces of equipment that I have, and I have a lot. So again, stay tuned. Again, and FiiO, thank you for sending me the sample unit. Can't wait to try it out and look for part 2 of this review. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.